Hi, my dear students. I am Mr. M. Manigandan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Corporate Secretaryship, Ayanada Animal College, Sivagasi. I am one of your course teacher of third semester BCom CS degree program, course Accounting Automation, course code W3C07. In this video lesson, we see about maintaining of company data and accounting vouchers in Tally. First, we see about accounting softwares. The accounting software used to enter the business transaction, day-to-day activities to enter in the systemized or otherwise automated. So it is accounting automation. In Tally, first we create company to enter our business transaction. So this part is called as maintaining of company data. In maintaining of company data, company creation, company alteration, selection of company, deletion of company. 4 categorized. In these 4 categories, we see about the tutorial video lessons. So next we see about next major heads, accounting groups. In Tally, 28 predefined accounting groups provides. Groups are collection of ledgers of the same nature. Accounting groups are classified into the capital or revenue nature, assets and liability nature, income and expenditure nature. Tally provides a 28 predefined group. These 28 predefined group, 15 groups are primary groups and 13 are subgroups. The primary groups cannot be deleted. The user cannot delete the primary group in Tally. Next we see about predefined groups in Tally. The predefined groups are categorized in the primary group and subgroup. The primary group consists of 15 primary groups, subgroups 13 subgroups. Primary groups branch division, capital account, current assets, current liabilities, debt expenses, debt income, etc. The subgroups are bank accounts, bank OD account, cash in hand, deposit assets, duties and taxes, loans, advances, provisions, reserve and surplus, etc. These predefined groups are default created by the Tally itself. The user create any accounting group on the basis of primary or subgroup. Next we see about accounting ledger. In Tally, there are 2 predefined ledgers available. The first one cash ledger, second one profit and loss account. These accounting ledgers are predefined created Tally itself. We create accounting ledgers and accounting groups in the tutorial video lesson. Next we see about accounting vouchers. There are 18 different predefined voucher types are available in the Tally. These 18 different predefined vouchers are categorized on the basis of accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers and payroll vouchers and one of the order processing voucher. The order processing voucher consists of purchase order, sales order, so etc. The accounting vouchers are used to record all accounts related transactions in Tally. Next we see about maintaining of company data and accounting vouchers, accounting ledgers, accounting groups, how to create, how to generate the ledgers, how to enter the accounting voucher transaction. For see about the tutorial video, easy to understand how to create ledgers, alteration, modification, any changes or otherwise deletion of vouchers, how to generate the profit and loss account, balance sheet in the forthcoming tutorial videos. Hi students, in this video lesson we see about gateway of Tally, screen components of Tally and maintaining company data of Tally. First we see about screen components of Tally. This is the screen components. In these screen components we see about gateway of Tally. In gateway of Tally, list of selected companies. in Tally list out the which company you have select for enter the accounting transaction data. So two or more companies we create the list of companies list out. Previous company was default selected in the Tally opening. So list of selected companies, gateway of Tally, vertical toolbar, vertical status bar, horizontal bar. So this is the Tally license information. So first we see about how to create company and maintaining of company data. So we select company for existing created company. Click select company. Shut company means to close the company. For example, I now open the commerce bookshop company. I want to close this company. So shut company, shut to close meaning. So shut company. I click shut company. In this icon we see about F1 below underline. That means alt plus F1. It not underline. Single press F1 key only. So now we press alt plus F1 for shut company. So I click shut company. Company was closed. Now this is company info menu. In this menu select company, create company, backup, restore, quit. Quit means escape back. So first click the option create company. So I create company. So I create company name. For example, I create bookshop. So again mailing name, address Sivagasi. So country name India, state Tamil Nadu, pin code. If necessary details you enter, or otherwise just press enter. In this option financial year from, book beginning from. So it is the accounting year. So accounting year, financial year. If need you enter the authentication, Tally valid password. If forgetting your Tally valid password will render your data unusable. If create password forget, we don't recover to any forget password in this Tally server. So you need to enter the password. In this security control press yes. We have name of username and password. In Tally valid password only password only visible. In Tally security control username and password also we use. So I need not. So no. It is a base currency information. So I create company in India. So currency information is rupees, Indian rupees. Suppose I click UK, the currency information is totally changed. So currency information, I click India. So currency information, you press enter or otherwise press Ctrl plus A. It is currency information Indian rupees, changes rupees paise. So paise, amount millions, space between amount and symbol press yes. Decimal place amount in words 2. So space between amount and rupees 10,000 rupees, 10,000 numerical number is space we want, press yes. So I press Ctrl plus A. The bookshop company was loading and created. So in this gateway of Tally we see about again company info, select company, shut company, create company. If want any changes, you want change your company information, click alter. So I select bookshop, any changes. So I create money bookshop, press Ctrl plus A. So it changes money bookshop. Short company, close company, create company, alter, change Tally valid, change password directly to click change Tally valid password. If want, you delete the company before enter the vouchers in your company data. You want to delete company option is not in Tally. So click alter, select the company, press alt plus D. So company alteration only provide the permission of company deletion. So press alt plus D, company deleted. So it is a gateway of Tally company info menu. Now we see about account info. The account info consists of groups and ledgers. Accounting groups, accounting ledgers. So first we see about accounting groups. In Tally 28 predefined groups. We see about single group 28 predefined accounting groups. These include the primary group and subgroup also. We already see about what are the primary groups available in Tally and subgroup available in Tally. So 28 predefined group, accounting group. So you need to create any group, single create. For example, I want to create wages. So wages is an direct expenses. So under the subgroup of direct expenses, group behave like subledger. Yes, the subgroup. Net debit credit balance for reporting. Debit credit balance reporting. Yes. User for any taxes discount call is invoice entry. So it's not sales. So need not to calculation of taxes discount. Method to allocate purchase invoice. It's not purchase invoice, so that not applicable. So the wages accounting group was created. We check about wages. So wages we create. If want to delete, same procedure, alter to select wages, alt plus D, delete. So now the wages accounting group is not in. Next we see about ledger, accounting ledger. In Tally we create to enter the all accounting transaction. First we create the accounting ledgers. So I create, for example, first capital account. Capital. So under the head of capital account. Opening balance need to enter, otherwise just press enter. Capital. Salary. Salary is an indirect expenses. Or otherwise SBI bank. SBI bank account. You also enter the bank account number, otherwise name only. So SBI bank account, bank accounts. So house loan. We enter the loan. Loans liability. Loan account. It is the accounting ledgers display. The cash account and the profit and loss account all default created in the Tally itself. So the cash and the profit and loss account is created by the Tally itself. So I create capital, house loan, salary, SBI bank account. If want to delete, alter, I delete house loan. Same procedure, ledger alteration option is visible. Press alt plus D. Press enter. The house loan account is deleted. So it is the account info menu, ledgers and accounting groups. Next we see about accounting vouchers in Tally. So Tally vouchers classified into 4 categories. These are accounting voucher, inventory vouchers, order voucher, payroll vouchers. In accounting voucher, in Tally itself, 16 predefined vouchers are available in Tally. it's created by Tally itself. 16 predefined voucher, contra, credit note, debit note, delivery note, journal, memorandum voucher, payment, physical stock voucher, purchase order voucher, receipt note voucher, rejection in, rejection out voucher, reversing journal voucher, sales order voucher, and stock journal voucher. These are predefined 16 vouchers in Tally. So if you want to create any voucher, create voucher to enter the all details. Easy to create the voucher. For example, I create wages. So wages voucher, types of voucher, it is a payment voucher or receipt voucher or sales debit note voucher, credit note voucher. I select payment voucher. So payment voucher. Method of voucher entering, automatic or manual. So automatic. Voucher numbering automatic. Use advanced configuration. Press yes. The advanced configuration visible is, so restart numbering, prefix details, suffix details, starting number, numerical part, prefix is 0 to enter the all details. Otherwise not necessary. Press escape. Just no. Use effective date of for voucher. No. Make optional as default. No. Use common narrations for each entry. Press yes or otherwise no. Print after saving voucher. If we want print all vouchers enter in the transaction, you press yes to enter all vouchers automatically print or automatically saved in the PDF format. So it need not. No. In this print after saving voucher option is useful for bill generation in sales bill generation in Tally. So you want to sales bill generation, click this option to change yes, print after saving voucher. You enter the sales voucher or purchase voucher option is yes to enter sales transaction. In every vouchers are automatically print the bill format. Its default option is easily available. So Tally is called for codeless accounting software system. It is user friendly. So voucher creation, no. So the wages voucher is created. You check display wages, and the wages accounting voucher is created. So you want to delete, same procedure, alter the display option, not provide the delete. So is not provide. Alter option only provide the deletion of any transaction entry or voucher or ledgers. So enter, press alt plus D. The wages voucher is deleted. Next we see about accounting voucher entry transaction. So first we enter the ledgers, then next we enter the accounting vouchers. So I create ledgers, ABC as a sundry creditors, XYZ as a sundry debtors. So sales, salary, purchase, capital account, data expenses, bank account, SBI bank account. So necessary ledgers are created. So next we enter the accounting vouchers. So accounting voucher transaction, accounting vouchers. These are called hotkeys. Press A, account info automatically opened. Press I, inventory info. Transaction, press B, accounting vouchers opened. So I press B, so automatically open. In this accounting vouchers, payment accounting vouchers, not visible in the debit credit format. It's open the single entry format. So press F12 for accounting voucher configuration F12. So change the use single entry mode for payment receipt contra. Press no. So press yes for double entry formats. Use debit or credit do by entry during the accounting voucher transaction entry. Press yes. So don't forget that change the two options. First, to change the yes to no in use single entry mode for payment receipt contra option. Next, change the no to yes option in use credit or debit instead of do by during the entry. Press yes. So press enter only. So automatically changed. Debit, credit. First we see about all vouchers. Press F4 for contra. In contra, automatically default open is first one is credit option. So F5 payment automatically changed to debit option. F6 receipt same also credit. F7 journal debit credit. F8 sales. So in this sales voucher, purchase vouchers open in the inventory format. You want to change any account invoice format, just click account invoice. So automatic item invoice, account invoice. So item invoice, you enter the stock items name, quantity, rate per amount. So in this voucher account invoice, you just enter the sales, just rate per amount. Otherwise you want to change accounting voucher format, press as voucher, or otherwise control plus V automatically changed. We see about single underline option hotkey alt plus I. So single underline. In double underline, press shortcut key for control plus V. So control plus V automatically changed debit credit format. So sales debit credit format. F9 is same also, item invoice, account invoice as voucher in accounting voucher format. So purchase credit format. So every voucher has default colors, different colors individually for segregation of their options. So first F4 contra, F5 payment, F6 receipt, F7 journal, F8 sales, F9 purchase. So first I enter the F4 contra, F6 receipt. So F4 contra, bank entry. So SBI Bank 50,000. Just enter the amount, debit, cash. So cash amount. You want to enter check number, otherwise narration need not necessary. Press enter. So I create bank transaction entry. Next I enter receipt voucher, receipt entry. So in this receipt we received from amount from debtors or creditors or through bank. So otherwise, so I enter, first enter capital account. So capital 1,50,000. So capital account credit, cash account debit. So capital introduced. Narration is not necessary. So next payment, salary payment, expenses. So salary payment. So 5,000. Cash or bank, your choice. So cash. I select bank account. So bank, salary paid. So payment. We noted that specifically self deposit, self withdraw into the bank, we use only contra voucher, contra entry. Otherwise any amount received from through bank, we enter receipt voucher, or otherwise to pay any expenses through bank, we enter payment voucher. So I enter F4 contra. You want to recheck page up, page down, page up, page down. So automatically change the alteration. So new account vouchers creation, page up, page down, automatically change the alteration. We already know that in alteration option provide only the delete option. So plus alt plus D automatically deleted. So need not necessary. So create next voucher. F8 sales. So voucher format, control plus V. So sales. Cash account .2 or otherwise sundry debtors or creditors. You want to select, I select XYZ sundry debtors 70,000 for sales, credit sales. I am not segregate any cash sales or credit sales. If you want to create any ledger at the time instant of, you just press Alt plus C. Directly open the ledger creation option. So I create credit sales. Same ledger name, duplicate entry to avoid it's not acceptable. So I create credit sales, sales account. So name of the item, so it's inventory format, so I click credit sales. It's open for name of the item, quantity, stock, inventory format, and I press enter. So 70,000 credit sales, narration, press enter. If you want to enter the cash sales, just enter sales, or otherwise you create cash sales separate option, cash sales. I enter sales, cash sales, otherwise sales. You want to create, press Alt plus D directly instead of open the ledger creation option. I select only sales. Same cash sales. So cash sales. In the same for the purchase voucher, Control plus V to enter the purchase option. So cash, purchase account data to cash account. In this purchase voucher, first open the instead of credit option first only. So purchase. So I purchase 1 lakh rupees. Cash purchase or credit purchase? Credit purchase, cash purchase, you select purchase directly. Cash purchase. If you want to credit purchase, enter to select the creditor's name. So create ABC as creditors, sundry creditors. So 7,000. You want to create Alt plus C, ledger creation, credit purchase. Purchase account, same. So credit purchase 7,000. Credit purchase. Easy to create the cash purchase and credit purchase. All vouchers are entered. So you want to check page up, page down. Otherwise, automatically saved. Otherwise, we about view of the report, profit loss account, Alt plus F1 detailed. Otherwise, balance sheet, Alt plus F1 details. So separate display, day book, everyday entry automatically listed out. So day book, or otherwise trial balance format, account books, separate ledger account. We want to view about cash or bank book, cash in hand, bank account. Separate open in the report format. Ledger, you want to view the separate ledger account. So select the I want to view purchase. So purchase. You want to view credit purchase. So credit purchase. Or otherwise sundry debtors account, creditors account, sundry debtors, XYZ credit sales. So lot of the accounting group summary, group format. For example, we view about all cash sales or cash purchase, credit purchase. So select accounting group, purchase account. So purchase account. Enter. All purchase account is opened. Credit purchase or cash purchase, accounting group summary. So cash purchase, credit purchase, same also. Group voucher, sales register, budget register, journal register. So lot of report format is available in the Tally report format. Display menu provide the lot of report format. Statement of accounts, outstanding not even we are not enter. Next we see about all the vouchers, inventory format, stock creations, etc. Thank you students. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.